Yes! The Apple Watch Series 5 is happening. What's going on, guys? So on September 10th, Apple will release the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I know, these names are crazy, and I don't really know if I'm okay with them. As always, I mean, every year I don't really feel like I'm okay with these names. I mean, they're always changing them, and then a week later, I'm always used to them. So anyways, we've had so many rumors with the iPhones, but we haven't had any rumors with the Apple Watch Series 5 up until this week. So since there were no rumors, people were thinking that there was not going to be an Apple Watch Series 5 this year, because since the Apple Watch Series 4 is so perfected, what's the point on having a next generation Apple Watch Series 5? And I was here sitting like, I was worried because, you know, there was a lot of people talking, like 9 to 5 Mag was saying, what if there is no Apple Watch Series 5? And I'm like, I didn't believe anybody, but I have to admit that I was kind of worried that we will not be having an Apple Watch Series 5. So that's what I'm making this video, because right now we've had a recent report by Ming Chi Kuo. If you guys don't know who Ming Chi Kuo is, he's like literally the best Apple analyst out there. He's always right. That's what you need to know about him. He's 95% of the time always right. This dude, yes, he's always right. He says, we will be getting the Apple Watch Series 5 in ceramic in a new titanium version. I'm excited for this. Titanium is a way much lighter material than stainless steel, and it would supposedly replace the current stainless steel models. So now you can literally flex with your beautiful titanium Apple Card and your beautiful, expensive Apple Watch in titanium. Good stuff. If that wasn't enough and you don't believe him, Benjamin Mayo has just found this inside of the beta of iOS 13. They are splash screens on when you pair your Apple Watch for the first time, and take a close look. Like a really close look. You can see a couple of things. 44mm and 44mm right there confirms us that the 44mm size will stay. I just said a lot of 44mm. So yeah, that will stay, and it also confirms us the report from Ming Chi Kuo, titanium case and ceramic case. So this year's lineup will be looking like this. The Apple Watch in aluminum, it's got a lightweight and perfect to work out. The Apple Watch in titanium, classy, shiny, and perfect for your daily wear. And the Apple Watch in ceramic, minimal, classy, and perfect way to flex. That's it for everything that's been confirmed, but here's what I'm kind of speculating that will happen or should happen, and kind of my wish list. A faster performance, the same design. People who say that the Apple Watch should get skinnier, the design of the Apple Watch should get skinnier. No, you're wrong. Watches are not skinny, okay? I mean, the Apple Watch is perfect the size. By the way, it's kind of ironic how I'm making a video on the Apple Watch and I'm not even wearing mine. It's literally out of battery. I used it a lot yesterday, and I couldn't charge it Anyways, the Apple Watch is not meant to be skinny. So for those of you asking that it should get skinnier, no. Sleep tracking is also expected to come, since the entire competition has it. I tried out the Galaxy Watch Active, and it's a really affordable smartwatch, and even that smartwatch actually had sleep tracking. So I really want sleep tracking to come to the Apple Watch. If you guys haven't watched, by the way, my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active review, definitely check it out. I was really impressed with that watch. Links are down below. Talking about sleep tracking, if we want sleep tracking to come in the Apple Watch, well, we should have a 2 or 3 day battery. I really want a longer battery life to come, especially if, you know, sleep tracking is actually a thing. So Apple, please add a bigger battery on the Apple Watch. Another feature that is expected to come on the Apple Watch Series 5 is the ability for your iPhone to charge your Apple Watch. This has happened this year with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 and all of those amazing phones with their Galaxy Watch line. So Apple, please, I really want to be able to charge my Apple Watch from my iPhone. New health features are also expected to come on the Apple Watch Series 5, and new watch faces. We got the infograph and the infograph modular watch face, and we got these full screen watch faces on the Apple Watch Series 4. So hopefully Apple will add more watch faces on the Apple Watch Series 5 that take the full advantage of that full display. And every year we've gotten a selling point. With the Apple Watch Series 3, it was cellular. With the Series 2, it was water resistance. With this year, I don't think we don't really know. We have no idea what's coming with the Apple Watch Series 5. Last year we got so many rumors already, but this year we haven't gotten anything. So don't worry. There will be a selling feature. I know. I mean, so many of you guys are already freaking out. This year's Apple Watch Series 5 will be dumb. It will not. Calm down. Sit your butts. Calm your butts. That selling point will drive you crazy. Maybe not. Hopefully it will. I have big hopes for Apple this year with the Apple Watch Series 5. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for all the speculation and everything that's actually been confirmed with the Apple Watch Series 5. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys think there will be an actual big selling point this year?
on the Apple Watch Freeze 5, or do you just think it's going to be a really, really small upgrade? Let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.